How to add a price alert on Moomoo. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add price alert on the Moomoo application. First of all, launch open your Moomoo app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the stock you want an alert for. After selecting one of the stocks, go ahead and tap on it to open up its chart section. From the chart page, go to the bottom and tap on the little bell icon. Now, click on Add Alert. Select your alert type. You can set alert for price hitting a certain level, percentage change, volume, indicators, and news. Just select one of the alert type and then enter the price at which you want to be notified. Enter the value on the page right inside the Value tab. Select the frequency and then, if you want, you can also add a remark. Finally, click on Save at the top right corner and you'll be able to add a price alert. You can now view and edit your alerts whenever you want. In your watch list, you'll see a small bell icon right at the back of the chosen stock. You can always tap on it to open the alert. Now Moomoo will ping you the moment your stock hits your chosen price. Super handy and super stress-free. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.